Here in Israel, chickens could help fuel power stations. That's because researchers have developed a way to convert poultry waste into a combustible solid biomass fuel.
We introduce it into a pressure cooker, sort of speak, and we heat it to up to 250 degrees Celsius. During this process, the water is becoming really reactive, and the chemical processes occurring in this pot, or in this pressure cooker, convert the organic waste into coal-like material.
Besides finding replacements for fossil fuels to generate energy, the research also puts waste from chicken farms to good use.
So this waste is going to be here, the amounts are going to be growing, and we need a solution. There's not much we can do with it. To transform that into energy that can replace fossil fuels is ideal.
Success here could lead to new uses for other types of waste.
If we introduce human feces into it, then possibly we can treat sanitation issues in rural areas, converting their waste to coal-like material that can be used for energy or soil amendment, and also improve sanitation issues in these villages.
In the long run, the researchers hope their refined chicken waste will help significantly decrease greenhouse gas emissions around the world. Deborah Block, VOA News.